Hey guys, welcome back to the Harrison Mukbang, and today I'm here with little sister. Today we are going to be eating some chicken wraps, and we also have garden salad at the side, and we also have our drinks. So let's get right into the video today, guys. So I have my fork here. Let's see the salad. Good. That's good. Okay. It sounds good. It's also okay. I like it. I bet she's always okay because of tomatoes. She's like tomatoes. Wait, this coleslaw?
That.
Oh, regular salad, right? It's garden salad. You said coleslaw. I like coleslaw better than salad. I'm gonna open my drink. Pepsi again today, guys. I'm gonna open it, okay. I like coleslaw. But this one's so good though. I like coleslaw too, but this is so good. I'll drink it again. The purple onions make the salad taste so good. Now we're gonna try the chicken wraps. Yeah. You guys look at it inside. I'm gonna fold mine up a little bit open. Wrap is good. And I like chicken wraps. Really yummy. Take a bite, guys. The salad is really good. The wrap is very good. I put tomato on my wrap. I can't get over this garden salad. It's really good. I don't like tomatoes. You don't want to pay garlic with it. This good with garlic. And tomato. You love tomatoes? Tomatoes are good. I thought you don't like tomatoes. They're good. But I don't love tomatoes.
I don't know. I mean like tomatoes that's like blend, like ketchup, like not like when it's raw. I like tomatoes with raw, but if it's like blend, like ketchup or something, I like it like that, but not like when it's raw. Like you know some like raw tomatoes, I don't like that. I don't like raw tomatoes. I like on blend.
What about cooked tomato?
Cooked tomato? No. No, I said blend.
Guys, I really like this salad. I keep saying it, but I really like it. You guys should, if you guys haven't tried garlic salad, you should try it. Here, here, this. Let me take the reds.
Stop on the lens.
Look at this, there's so many tomatoes. Should we eat? The salad is like done. I'm surprised to eat salad. I thought you only have coleslaw and no salad. I really like chicken Caesar salad. Guys, I love chicken Caesar salad. It's my favorite salad. Chicken Caesar is the best salad.
Do you like coleslaw?
Yeah. I say chicken Caesar, second coleslaw, then third garlic salad. I said coleslaw first. I know, because you love coleslaw.
Because it's sweet, isn't it?
But that's why you like it.
Yeah, because like it has sugar instead of it.
And put some onion in here.
And mayonnaise. That's why I like it.
Yes, I hope you guys can see it. But gotta finish. Are you tripping?
Yeah. That's cool.
Where are $2? Look at that piece of chicken. And a piece of lettuce. Piece of lettuce.
Cut the cameras.
Here's some other wrap. I want to fold it, like if it's like in here. Well, I'll just tear it
Do you like the horror shows? Do you like the horror shows properly, or do you like the soft ones?
I feel like I like the soft ones, but like if it's like a chicken chalupa, I'll eat the hard shell. But I don't think chicken chalupas hard shells are really like hard. They're just like kind of hard, but not too hard.
I'll pick the soft shells. It's like the hard ones.
Yeah, I like the soft shells.
Yeah, the hard ones are just like
I don't know, you get tired of eating them after a while.
yeah.
Cause like I feel like when you eat it, you don't think of crunchy.
Yeah, you feel like it's soft.
That's why.
Chicken wraps. Chicken wraps are my favorite.
I know.
And beef.
I know beef. They call burritos, right? And
Yeah.
chicken wrap, or just chicken wrap.
Yeah.
This reminds me of shawarma. Okay guys, so we're getting full, so we're gonna do our last sip and then we're gonna end the video. Ready? So cheers in. Cheers out. Bye guys.
Bye guys.